Here's how to check your login activity on Snapchat. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Log into your account, and then after tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the gear icon in the top right to access your settings and privacy. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and tap on the session management option that is between language and app appearance. Here you'll get all of the devices and the places where your Snapchat is logged in, and you can track the devices that have access to your account from this section. If you want to remove your login activity from a specific device, tap on this cross icon over here and then tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. You can also come back and try the two-factor authentication. Go ahead, open it, and ensure that this is enabled for security. Tap on Forgot Devices. A list of devices logged into your Snapchat account will appear, and you can also review this list. If you see a device you don't recognize, tap on the X icon next to it to remove it and confirm by tapping yes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.